how to use Google Chrome like a pro. If you want to use Google Chrome and access some of its advanced features, I'm going to share some tips with you all. The first tip is simply customizing the home page that you have on your Chrome. So make it very clean and make it minimal, add your important shortcuts, remove unnecessary bookmarks that makes it very ugly. To do so, click on this pencil-like icon from the bottom right and you can choose a theme for yourself, add some of the toolbar, add or remove the shortcuts if that's what you're willing, and so on, and don't forget to make sure to save the changes. The other things that you can do is you can always make sure to turn on sync, because if you turn on sync, if you log into the same Google account on all of your devices, all of your browsing history, extensions and everything is going to get enabled itself. So make sure that sync is enabled. What you can also do is you can choose to make sure to save all of your passwords. If you want to delete your passwords, you can go to passwords and autofill and make sure to go to Google Password Manager and remove the passwords that you no longer need in that case. On the left hand side, if you go to privacy and security, you can go to delete browsing data and you can only choose to delete the cache images and files instead of deleting the whole history. So only select this cache files and select the delete data button. If basically Google Chrome is launching on startup, you can disable it by going to on startup and you can select the open a new tab page as well. You can also set it as a default browser and you can choose to change its search engine as well. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.